Hi guys, a warm welcome back to this channel. So today we'll be talking more about Alibaba, the stock that has been downtrending for many months and many people are being trapped inside this particular counter. So let's take a look at what's happening now. So in fact, we did see a triple bottom in this particular stock. First at 108, second at 110, and last one about 2 to 3 days ago at about 110. So what does a triple bottom mean? Triple bottom is tend to be bullish. So at every bottom, it will you can see a large green candle and it bounces up quite strongly. So the first one, the second bottom, you can see that there's this a very large green candle here, followed by a small rebound. Secondly, we also did see a large green candle here. So double bottoms and triple bottoms tend to be very bullish in nature. Looking at the support levels at about 110, we can see that at 110, there's this first level, and then the resistance will be about 127 to 129. So that is the second resistance. So you can see that Baba has been trading sideways for, in fact, a couple of days or even weeks. So you can see that we went up here, failed to clear this resistance and pull back down to this level here. The second one, it actually did clear this resistance, but it was, in fact, you can say it was a fake breakout to about a level about 138, followed by a pullback all the way back down for a third rebound, or you can say a triple bottom. And then we did see buyers coming back quite strongly, even though the volume here can be much more. Something like this would be good. So moving ahead, what will be Baba's potential movements? So the first resistance we can in fact see is about this level. The previous resistance about 127 and 129, we can actually see some sellers appearing here because it was a previous resistance. But in the event that we clear that, if the market makers are strong and they want to clear it, then they will have to go and check. The next resistance will be at this 138 level. So we have to break through these 138 levels in order not to fall back again at 108 levels. So what happens if we fall back to 108 levels, which is actually very, very dangerous? Why is that so? Because we only have double bottoms or triple bottoms, and there's no such thing as four bottoms. So if we fail to clear this level here, we will pull back to this 108 level. And in the event that the fourth time we pull back to this level, we will for sure break this support. We'll break the 108 support, and we are likely to go about $98 to about $102, where we find some psychological support at $100. So the market makers have to push the stock price up above this first resistance at 127, 129, followed by the second resistance at 138. So what kind of movements do we can expect from there? After breaking through this 138, it's better if you can move upwards slightly to about maybe a 146 to about 150. And thereafter, the previous resistance at 138 will turn support. So if we were to pull back down at this level at about 138, then we can continue upwards. Similarly, if we were to find that this channel here, it becomes a support level and then we do not break it, and that will be considered healthy. Likewise, if we were to look at the 9988, the one listed in Hong Kong, it is the same movements. It's moving sideways and we found a triple bottom followed by a third movement, and there was a bounce, which was just yesterday. So since the 9988 and the Baba is the same trend, we'll just look at Baba. So let's look at the Fibonacci to have a better understanding of where are the potential resistance are, and we are moving upwards. So you can see that the bottom was about 108 and the top perhaps about 170, 170, 171. So you can see that from the resistance Fibonacci point of view, there are in fact this level here at 139. It did not fail to clear it, and hence we did a pullback down at this level here. So the next target after clearing this 138 and 139, it has to clear 138, 139 convincingly. If not, there'll be a double top at this level. So once it clears it convincingly, then we'll be targeting at the next level here at about 146 here. This 146 is very crucial because if we were to break it, then the stock will tend to turn bullish. So this 146 is very crucial. And in the event that we did clear this particular level, then you can see that we can, in fact, there is a possibility of us closing this gap here. So once we close the gap, we can actually move outwards. However, if you look at the clouds, you can see that there's a very tough resistance coming up. You can see that this cloud here is relatively thick. So we can expect some resistance between 139 to our current price levels about 129. Looking at the MACD for a better picture, you can see that on daily MACD, we did turn down about 3 to 4 days ago here, but we did continue. So did continue moving up. So the blue line is in fact trying to go above the orange line. And once it sustains above it, then we can expect stronger reversal patterns. So you can see that the MACD has in fact turned here, pull back down, and it can continue up. And likewise, if you were to look at the weekly MACD, which is a better confirmation, you can see that at the weekly MACD, it has been consolidating for a few weeks. So you can see that it's been consolidating a few weeks, but you can see that the blue line has already cut above the orange line and is still sustaining above it. So if we do sustain above it, then we can expect some more upside ahead. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. In the event that you like the video, feel free to give a thumbs up or even subscribe. And in the event that you guys have any other particular stocks or counter that you guys are interested in, feel free to comment down in the comment section below, and I will definitely analyze it in my next video. If there's nothing else, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.